Fire in our roads. Happening now. Gas plant. The gas plant of the filling station caught fire. That's this thing. No
Everywhere
pets.
go, all those things I go.
There is nothing. The fire is massive, oh. Massive fire. Aye. It's the gas plant. Okay, it's the gas plant. Okay, fire service has come from Air Force Fire Service just coming. But they're working against the road. They said they fear for their life. Yeah? Happening now in River State, Port Harcourt, Air Force, gas plant. Nobody can go near and video it too. You can see the cloud. This is a filling station here. They are gas plant. So you can see the gas is flaming up. Hey, look at vehicles. Nobody can go for his vehicle. Nobody can come out his vehicle. Whose car? Gas. He's trying to enter Harcourt. Happening now in River State. Your phone. No go down here, they go take phone for table. This one is big. Oh. This is happening today. Today's date is 16th May. That's what we saw. We are just driving past here from Air Force. When it start happening. Even I can feel the heat of the fire. Now. Thank you.